Gigabyte holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. So in this video, once again I'm present with the another latest update of Gigabyte. What's the current price of DGB coin? What's the price in Bitcoin the DGB coin? And you know what, a lot of people ask me questions about DGB coin, that what should we do in this critical situation? Is it the best time to buy? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold DGB coin, my friends? So in this video I will show you, my friends. Keep watch this video, my friends. At this time, first of all, we look the latest price update of the DGB coin. You can see here the latest price is 0.056693 USD dollar. That is the latest price of DGB coin. On the other side, you can see here, if you look the price changes of the DGB coin, so completely, my friends, completely fast down occur in the DGB coin. The price of Gigabyte is going down. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend price change occur in the DGB coin is going wrong, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the DGB coin, my friends. Oh my goodness. You know what, my friends, that is the last 60-minute price chart of the DGB coin Gigabyte, and the pricing is negative 0.22%. But now in the current situation, I think that they start pumping, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. So now at this time, after watching the price chart of DGB coin last 1 hour, my prediction is going positive on DGB coin. I believe, my friends, I'm sure that Gigabyte will take a huge pump in the next few hours, my friends. And the coming soon few hours, DGB coin will take a huge pump. That is my prediction. And now in this time, my personally recommendation for all of my viewers, my subscribers, that it's time to hold. It's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about DGB coin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.